Are you feeling lost in the sea of RV buying options and advice? You're definitely not alone. With so many choices and dealers pushing for a sale, it's hard to know what's best for you and what's just a bad deal. But don't worry, we're here to uncover the costly RV buying mistakes that dealers won't tell you about. In fact, they might just hate us for this. Stick around because later in the video, we'll reveal one of the best kept secrets that could save you thousands on your next RV purchase. Okay, first up, buying an RV without proper research is like playing darts blindfolded. Each type serves different needs. Class A motorhomes are spacious, but gas guzzlers. Travel trailers offer flexibility but require a tow vehicle. Fifth wheels, Class B and C motorhomes, pop-up campers, each has pros and cons. Your travel style should guide your choice. Weekend warrior or full-timer, boondocking fan or resort lover. How many people will typically travel with you? Consider these factors. Take time to research different types, maybe even rent a few for short trips. The goal is to find an RV that fits your lifestyle like a glove. A little homework now can save you from major buyer's remorse down the road. Next, skipping through inspection is like playing Russian roulette with your wallet. That small water stain on the ceiling, it could be hiding a major roof leak that'll cost thousands to fix. That funky smell when you turn on the AC could be mold growing in the ductwork. Professional RV inspectors exist for a reason. They know where to look for common issues and can spot problems you might miss. Yes, an inspection costs money up front, but it's a drop in the bucket compared to potential repair costs. Pay close attention to signs of water damage in particular, one of the most common and costly issues. Check ceiling corners, around windows and doors, under sinks, and around the toilet and shower. Press gently on walls and floors. They should be firm, not soft or spongy. Don't just look inside either. Check the roof carefully. Get on up there. Look for cracks in sealant around vents, antennas, and air conditioners. These are common entry points for water. Additionally, test all systems: plumbing, electrical, heating, and cooling. Make sure appliances work properly. Check that windows and doors seal correctly. Don't just take the dealer's word that everything's in tip-top shape. Insist on a thorough inspection, especially for used RVs. If a dealer pushes back, that's an instant red flag. Walk away. Next up on our list, ignoring weight limits isn't just unwise, it's dangerous. Every RV has weight restrictions for carrying and towing. Exceed these limits and you're risking blown tires, broken axles, and accidents, therefore your life. It's easier to exceed these limits than you might think. That Class C motorhome might look beefy, but fill it with gear, water, and passengers, and you could be pushing the limits before you're even hooking up a tow vehicle. And do your homework. Get familiar with terms like gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, gross combined weight rating, GCWR, and payload capacity. These aren't just boring numbers. They're your safety guideposts. Stay within them. When shopping, pay attention to the RV's empty weight as well, otherwise known as dry weight. And imagine how much you'll add with stuff in general, water, and propane in particular. If you're close to the limit before packing, you might need to size up or look for an RV with higher capacity. Make sure your tow vehicle is up to the task. Just because your SUV can physically pull your new travel trailer doesn't mean it should. Exceeding your vehicle's tow rating is a recipe for disaster. And consider investing in a good RV scale. Weighing your rig periodically, especially before big trips, can help ensure you're always within safe limits. Don't risk it. Next on our list, an RV layout that looks great in the showroom can turn into a daily frustration once you're living in it. That's why it's crucial to test drive the layout before buying. Spend quality time in the RV. Sit in every seat. Lie on the bed. Pretend to cook a meal. Check if you can easily move around when the slide-outs are in. There will be times when you can't extend them. Can you access the bathroom when the bed is set up? Is there enough counter space in the kitchen? These are important questions. Consider your specific needs. If you work on the road, is there a comfortable space for your laptop? If you have kids, is there enough separation for privacy? If you're tall, can you stand up straight in the shower? Think about storage as well. Is there enough storage for all your gear? Are cabinets and drawers in convenient locations? In an RV, every inch counts. Pay attention to little things that could become big annoyances. Is the TV at a comfortable viewing angle? Are there enough outlets in convenient locations? Is the bathroom door placement? Many dealers offer overnight test stays. Take advantage if you can. There's no better way to test a layout than actually living in it for a night. Next up on our list, the price tag on that shiny new RV is just the beginning. Overlooking hidden costs can turn your dream of carefree RV living into a financial nightmare. Maintenance is a big one. RVs require regular upkeep, oil changes, tire rotation, seal inspections, and more. Just so much more. When things break, and they will, repairs can be pricey. A new RV roof could cost thousands. Insurance is another consideration. RV insurance isn't the same as car insurance and can be costly. Get quotes before buying. Don't forget about storage. Unless you have a massive driveway, you'll probably need to pay for storage when not using your RV. Climate-controlled storage for a large RV can cost hundreds per month. Unsurprisingly, fuel is also a major expense, especially for larger motorhomes. They're not known for fuel efficiency. A cross-country trip could cost more in gas than plane tickets. Campground fees add up quickly too. While you can find free camping spots, many popular campgrounds with full hookups can cost $30 to $100 or more per night. And these hidden costs aren't even the fun stuff, like leveling blocks, sewer hoses, camping chairs, outdoor rugs. These seem small, but can add up to thousands if you're not careful. When budgeting, look beyond the sticker price. Factor in all additional costs for a true picture of RV ownership expenses. Now, this is a big one. High-pressure sales tactics are common in RV sales, but don't fall for them. This deal won't last. Someone else is interested. I can only hold this price until today. These are often just tricks to rush you. Remember, you hold the power. You're the one with the money, and there are plenty of RVs out there. If a dealer pushes too hard, that's a red flag. Reputable dealers understand you need time to decide. Don't be swayed by limited time offers or special manager's discounts, quote unquote. These are usually marketing ploys. The same deal or better will likely be available later or at another dealership. Be wary of emotional manipulation. A salesperson might try to get you excited about the RV lifestyle, painting pictures of idyllic campgrounds and family memories. While RVing can be wonderful, don't let this cloud your judgment. And if you feel pressured, it's okay to walk away. In fact, it's often good to leave and think things over, even if it's a good deal. Sleep on it. Do more research. Compare prices from multiple dealers. And don't be afraid to negotiate. RV prices often have room for haggling, but you'll be in a better position if you're not feeling pressure to make an immediate decision. The overall message here is take your time and don't let them make you feel pushed. The right RV and deal will still be there when you've had enough time to think it through, despite what a salesman says. Next on our list, water damage is the silent killer of RVs. It starts small, but can turn quickly into a major, expensive problem. Many buyers miss the signs because they don't know what to look for. There's no shame in it. Water damage isn't always obvious. Sometimes it's subtle. A bit of discoloration, a slightly soft spot on the floor, or a musty smell. But if you don't catch it early, you could face rotted wood, mold, and costly structural damage. When inspecting an RV, be on high alert for water damage signs. Check every nook and cranny. Look at the ceiling corners, around windows and doors, under sinks, and around the toilet and shower. Press gently on walls and floors. They should be firm, not soft or spongy. Don't just look inside either. Check the roof carefully. Look for cracks in sealant around vents, antennas, and air conditioners. These are common water entry points. Pay attention to musty odors. They can signal hidden mold growth. Also, look for signs of repair work. While repairs aren't necessarily bad, they could indicate past water damage issues, especially if the owner doesn't tell you straight up and you have to find out for yourself upon inspection. If you spot any water damage signs, proceed with extreme caution. Even if it seems minor, water damage often extends beyond what's visible. Consider bringing a moisture meter when RV shopping. These devices can detect moisture in walls and floors that you can't see or feel. It's a small investment that could save you from an expensive mistake. Next on our list, warranties and service plans might make your eyes glaze over, but neglecting them could leave you high and dry when something goes wrong with your RV. And something will go wrong. That's just life. The warranty on a new RV isn't like a car warranty. RV warranties are often limited and complex. Different components might be covered by different manufacturers, each with their own terms. This patchwork can leave you confused and potentially uncovered when issues arise. Extended warranties and service plans can help. Yes, they're an extra upfront cost, and dealers will try to upsell you. But don't dismiss them outright just because of that. A good extended warranty can save thousands in repair costs over your RV's life. Not all extended warranties are equal. Some are comprehensive, covering almost everything. Others are more limited. Some require you to pay upfront and get reimbursed, while others pay repair shops directly. Some have high deductibles, others don't. Do your homework. Read the fine print. Understand exactly what's covered and what's not. Don't feel pressure to buy from the dealer. You can often find better deals from third-party providers. Next up on our list, when buying an RV, thinking about selling it might be the last thing on your mind, but ignoring resale value could cost you big time down the road. Here's the hard truth. Most RVs depreciate quickly. We're talking 20% or more as soon as you drive off the lot, and it only goes down from there. But not all RVs depreciate at the same rate. Some brands and models hold value better than others. Why does this matter? Because you're probably not gonna keep this RV forever. Maybe you'll want to upgrade, downsize, or decide RV life isn't for you at all. When it's time to sell, you'll thank yourself for considering resale value from the start. Research which brands and models tend to hold value best. Look at listings for used RVs similar to the one you're considering. How much have they depreciated? Consider features that boost resale value. Solar panels, lithium batteries, and high-end finishes can make your RV more attractive to future buyers. Unusual layouts or overly personalized modifications might make it harder to sell as well. The RV's condition plays a huge role in resale value as well. If you're choosing between two models and one has a better durability reputation, that could be the smarter long-term choice, despite its features. Keep all of your maintenance records. These could be a big selling point, showing potential buyers the RV has been well cared for. Remember, the goal isn't necessarily to make money when selling your RV, but minimizing losses can make a big difference when moving on to your next adventure. In our final item on the list, and when it comes to RVs, there's a common misconception that bigger is always better, but that's a rookie mistake that can lead to regret. Sure, that 40-foot Class A motorhome with 4 slide-outs might seem dreamy. All that space, room for everyone. But before signing on the dotted line, let's talk reality. Bigger RVs are harder to drive and maneuver. Think about navigating tight campgrounds, low bridges, or winding mountain roads. That dream motorhome can quickly become a nightmare when trying to make a U-turn on a narrow road. Many state and national parks have length restrictions as well. Your oversized rig might be shut out of some beautiful camping spots. And good luck trying to find parking in towns or cities. Don't forget about fuel efficiency as well. The bigger the RV, the more gas it guzzles. That can seriously impact your travel budget. Bigger RVs typically cost more as well, not just to buy, but to maintain and repair. More space means more things that can break. How do you avoid this mistake? Start by really thinking about how you'll use your RV. How many people will typically travel with you? Do you really need a separate bedroom? Or would a convertible dinette work? Be honest about your needs versus wants. Consider thinking outside the box and renting different sizes of RVs before buying. This hands-on experience can help you find the sweet spot between space and practicality. Remember, the goal is to find an RV that fits your lifestyle, not to get the biggest rig on the road. Sometimes, less really is more. Every RV buyer has different priorities, and what works for one person might not be the ideal choice for you. As you prepare for your RV journey, think about the features and functionality that matter most to your lifestyle. What challenges do you anticipate on the road? Focusing on those factors will help you make the best buying decision. And hey, if you're ready for more expert tips and insider advice on RV life, be sure to check out this video here.